Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unhide chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and double check if your WhatsApp needs to be updated or not. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to recover hidden chats, open the archive folder. You will find the folder at the top of your chat menu, then click the archive button to see your hidden chats on WhatsApp. So what I'm gonna do, if you want to unhide contact or some chats in WhatsApp, select the settings, privacy, and hidden WhatsApp contacts. I'm gonna go back to my screen and simplify it. Go ahead to your WhatsApp. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and let's say for example I hidden this chat, right? I'm gonna hide this chat. I'm gonna click their name and I'm gonna hide them or lock the chats, right? And by hiding them, meaning that you can hide the basically the messages and everything, right? And by locking, for example, right, or hiding the chats, they will no longer be seen in the normal chats right here, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll up and you're gonna see the locked chats or the archived, and you can just go ahead and hold right here and then unlock chat right here and confirm by facial recognition, and the same goes for the archived as well. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.